In recent years, analysis of the CNC cutting tool market in China shows that in the mid to low-end market, China-made cutting tools account for 73% of the market share, while imported tools make up 27%. The high-end market is still dominated by brands from Europe, the United States, Japan, and Korea. Companies in the CNC cutting tool industry clearly understand that current market demand is increasingly diversified and customized. Due to the wide variety of CNC cutting tools and complex model specifications, confusion can easily arise in production and management processes. Most companies still rely heavily on manual experience and judgment in their production models, and production issues are common. Let's take a look at a case from a CNC cutting tool manufacturer. The facility is equipped with more than 20 tool grinding machines. Most machines are integrated with Lentech robotic arms for automated loading and unloading. The overall production line automation level exceeds 90%. To address the challenges of diverse tool types and complex models, the company implemented the SynFactory management system. This successfully enabled full production transparency. Production data for different tool models across each machine is automatically collected by the system. Through real-time production dashboards, machine utilization dashboards, and machining record dashboards, the system monitors equipment status in real time, tracks machine utilization rates, and calculates total production output. No manual report compilation is required. This effectively resolves the management challenges brought by diversified tool production.